To your shrine, tears come streaming from our eyes as the memories of your trials come in flooding into our minds. To your enemies we say this, till we die this is our promise, we will never.
The Arbaeen pilgrimage is the world's largest public gathering that is held every year in Iraq. This Zura pilgrimage is held at the end of the 40 days mourning period following Ashura, the religious ritual for the commemoration of the Prophet Muhammad's grandson Hussain ibn Ali's martyrdom in the year 680. Arba'een marks a pivotal event in history in which the pilgrims make their journey to Karbala on foot, where Hussain ibn Ali, the third Imam of Shia, and his companions were killed and beheaded by the army of Yazid. Some of the pilgrims make their journey from cities as far as Basra, about 500 kilometers away by road. The ritual has been described as an overwhelmingly powerful display of Shia belief and solidarity. Iran and Shias, however, have criticized mainstream media for ignoring the event.
أثخنوه